Pharmacies are adding more and more healthcare services on site. So the Pharmacy Technician program at the American College of Healthcare aims to provide its students with a competitive edge in the healthcare industry by providing quality educational programs. Our Pharmacy Technician program teaches the following tasks: counting pills, filling and verifying prescriptions, labeling products, maintaining patient records and insurance information, measuring, packaging, and delivering medications, preparing IVs, transcribing physicians' orders. Upon graduation and certification, a pharmacy tech earns a beginning salary around $30,000, and there's mobility with options to become supervisors earning around $50,000. ACH promises free graduate placement services from our dedicated career counselors.
I would say it started off hard and having to learn all the new terms and generic and name brand. And now that I know most of it, still not all of it, but I think it's a lot easier now, and Mr. McGee gave us all the tools we needed, and I'm happy to finally be done and succeed in what I want to do.
My name is Michael McLean, and I'm an admissions representative at ACH. Welcome.